Good morning to all. Today we see about the topic is depth measurements. Okay, so already we saw the linear measurements, angular measurements, but in this linear measurements, the depth measurement is one of the important role. Okay. For example, I have select one object. Okay, so this is the object. So this is a hole. I measured the whole of the workpiece by using depth caliper. Okay, so this is a depth caliper. Okay, so this is a depth caliper gauge. So or depth caliper or depth caliper gauge or depth gauge. So the three words is also same. Okay, so in this depth gauge is having two scales. That is very important. Vernier scale and also main scale. So the two scale is very important. The main scale is also fixed scale, but Vernier scale is the moving scale. So this is a locking screw. I simply unlock means easily I can move the scale from top to bottom and also bottom to top level. But the fixed scale is the main scale. So the Vernier scale is moved on the main scale. Vernier scale is moved on the main scale or top area or bottom area. Okay, so the locking screw purpose is simply I locked means the Vernier scale cannot move. So easily you can measure the value, accurate value. Already I told the accuracy, precision. The accuracy is the closeness output, but the precision is the repeated value. So I need any measuring instruments means definitely two characterization is very important. One is accuracy, second is the precision. So the two characters is very important in our measurements areas. Okay. So in this main scale, the left side is the inches value, the right side will be mm value. I need mm value only. Okay, so I need mm value only. Okay, and also in this Vernier scale is marked the 50 lines. 50 lines. For example, simply you saw the 0 to 1 to 2, 3, 4. So 10 lines. Each in between 1 to 2, 5 lines. Okay, and also so simply you 10 into 5, 50. So the total number of line is the 50 lines. Okay, so the measuring procedure is simply I unlock them and also simply you insert the hole. Just insert the hole. Okay, and then the measurement area will be flatness area. Okay, simply I locked them. Okay, simply I locked them. So I locked two screws. This is the first locking screw and this one is the second locking screw. Okay, so I locked both screws. Okay, now I can measure the value. So the zero value, Vernier zero value will be in the main scale is the 20 mm line. So 20 mm, and also the coincidence is the exactly the third line. So the third line. So already I told the Vernier caliper also. So third line mean coincidence means 3 into 0.02. Simply you multiply them. That is the 15th line. 15 into 0.02. Simply you multiply with the values and add with the main values. Okay. My main value is the 20. So 20.3 mm or 20.35 mm. So this is the inner depth of the hole. Okay, this is a simple method for depth measuring areas. In this, by using this depth gauge, the maximum the value is the 150 mm. So start from 0.1 mm to 150 mm is the maximum value. Okay, so you measure the 148 or 149 depth object will be easily measured by using this depth caliper or depth gauge. So this is a simple and easiest method in the linear measuring instruments. So in this depth gauge, mainly the four parts is very important: main scale, Vernier scale, and also the locking screws. Locking screws is the two sections. One is the first one section and the second one is the top level sections. And also this is a measuring jaw. Measuring jaw is very important because measuring jaw is directly closed with the my object. Otherwise you cannot the measure. Measuring jaw is cannot touch the object means definitely that value will be definitely wrong. So measuring jaw is closed with the object is very important in our measuring zones. Okay, so it is the one of the method for measuring the height or inner depth or depth of the whole of work pieces. Okay, thank you.